For the past year, we've spent more time than ever at home. It's been our school, workplace, gym, restaurant, and much more. It's no surprise this year has drastically impacted what buyers look for when they're house hunting. Marcy Hines here with The Upside Now, and today we're talking about the 4 things buyers are looking for in 2021.
Check out the cathedral ceilings. Those are like 17 feet high. We have cable readiness right there.
Number 1, the home office. It should come as no surprise that a home office is at the top of the list. Over 42% of the U.S. workforce worked from home this past year, and a quiet workspace is not just a want anymore, it's a need.
Going in the naughty corner. Not you, Jerry. I need you to work with me. Ow! Bridget, this is impossible.
Number 2, a spacious outdoor area. For buyers that have or are wanting to have a family, a backyard is a close second on the priority list. Backyards with a good balance of outdoor space and covered patio space are definitely attracting buyers.
Hey babe, tonight we're going out in our own backyard. Hey.
Number 3, plenty of storage. This past year had buyers stocking up on the essentials. We all remember the toilet paper crisis, right? With more and more people discovering the benefits of stockpiling, storage space is a must-have. A nice pantry, kitchen cabinets, and a lot of bathroom storage are all the things that could attract potential buyers.
My laundry center retails at over $1,000, and I can do about 2,800 loads of laundry.
Number 4, a cozy living area. Let's be honest, we all watched way more Netflix than we should have. Movie nights became a regular occurrence, and if your house was anything like mine, someone was always watching something in the living room. So whether it's an added movie room or just a family-friendly living space, buyers are definitely keeping their eyes peeled for those features.
I want that.
This past year has definitely put a lot of things into perspective and changed the way buyers are prioritizing their wants and needs. If you're house hunting and ready to find the one, comment below or shoot me a message. I would love to help you start the mortgage process. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.